Import high-quality cut-used cars in wholesale from inside Japan through HY Japan. HY Japan is a company specialized in exporting Japanese and European cars, engines, and new spare parts. Engines, transmissions, car brackets. The models we export from Japan are Japanese and European models. So many of our car importers, customers in all countries prefer to import auto parts in wholesale and sell them in their countries at competitive prices. We cut cars on demand. 1. Cut a half of a car. 2. Cut the front of the car. 3. Carefully cut the entire car and its parts from our professional staff. You also can raise your earnings rate with HY. To receive requests and inquiries, you can send a message on our page www.hytojapan.com.